So, hi Kitty! May bago. Ano? Okay, magbibigay ako isa-isa sa fake order natin. Kaso ito naman real order. Okay. So, pangalan niya Emily. Maglalagay na tayo! Bagong voice. So, yung pinsan ko pumunta dito. Si Amara, yung kasama ko sa video ko, yung nakadilaw na damit. Ayun yan. So, packaging na tayo. Paborito niya, yellow. Okay, yellow. Yellow ribbon. Ow! Now, what yellow things we have in the... Oh, by the way, I only have this. I'll put the yellow. So, fishy. Now, I have some new ones. Photocard. She likes, o gusto niya, look. Yeah, I have a lot of photo cards. So I can't let you look at the back because it's so big. Oh! That's so. No. I'm going to pick one capybara and 3 unicorns. I mean 3 unicorns. So here. Oh no, this only one. I'll let you show it. Now 2. This and this. Oh, let me show it. Ito ang nakuha ni Emily. Hello. 2 beanie cards. So let me package it. Here we go, packaging. So bye guys. Emily, you will have fun.